Guys, it's Chel of Chel's Real Life, and I wanted to show you this fashion wig that I got from Temu. I ordered it. It came in literally 3 days. I wanted to show you that this particular wig was only $10. All right, guys, so I am off camera. I will show you what it looks like on after I put all my makeup on. So it comes like this, okay? And, ooh. Now it's supposed to be 18 inches. So I don't know if it truly is 18 inches, but we will see and find out. So it's supposed to look like yaki hair, which looks like permed African-American. Oh, look at that. Y'all see this? Hold on. It's supposed to look like permed African-American hair. So look at this. Okay, that's what comes in it. And it had this net over it, kind of like you see a typical hair unit. So this is what the inside of it looks like. And I'll show you like that. So it only has this little teeny bit right here that you can cut off. But you can always, this is what the part is looking like as well. Can y'all see that? So you can always take, if you want to part, pluck it some more here. But it's not really a lace under here. You see what that looks like. So even if you try to put makeup here and try to make it look like, you can bleach knots. I mean, there aren't really knots. You see what I'm saying? So, but you can pluck it, put a little makeup there, make it look a little more realistic. The hair itself is super soft. Oh my gosh. Super soft. Can you see what it looks like? That is gorgeous. And it's this yaki. It looks like back in the day they had yaki permed hair. And that's what it looks like. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So, okay. I am going to put on my makeup and then I will film what it looks like on. But I wanted to show you guys from me unboxing it. And wow. I'm very, very pleased for a $10 hair unit. It's gorgeous. It's full. Very, very full. I don't know if they said what the density is, but to me, it seems like at least 200. Gorgeous, though. It's not human, but it really looks, look at that. You can see the texture of the hair, and the curls are gorgeous. So we'll see what it looks like, but I wanted to unbox it for y'all. There you have it. Hey, guys. Here I am wearing the unit. I want to say that this is legit like human hair. This looks and feels like if I got a blowout of my natural hair, because I'm natural underneath this, if I got a blowout of my natural hair and then, decided to curl it, that's what it would look like. When you go out, people are not going to be able to tell that this is not your hair grown from your scalp. Now, I have it parted on the side and it was meant to be parted in the middle, but as you can see, it's only if you decide to wear that side part like that, it's only a little bit longer. I mean, really not, you can't tell, so you can wear that and it super looks cute. So the curl, the feel is human. It is not human hair. This is 100% synthetic $10 wig from Temu. I'm going to tell y'all, don't sleep on Temu and Shein. Don't sleep on Temu and Shein. No, I am not an influencer for Temu and Shein. However, Troy bought me a wig off of Amazon that was like $50 and it was human. And I'm going to tell you, it sucked, okay? It was supposed to be 100% density, 18 inches. It sucked. It looked horrible. This is supposed to be 18 inches. The density is, 200. I mean, y'all, look. What? Where are they doing that? Look. What? I love this. It is legit like, oh, she got her hair blown out. Oh, she's natural and she got her hair blown out. She just went to the hairdresser. Did they say hairdresser anymore? She went to the hair salon, right? Her stylist got her all hooked up. Now, the cons of this really, there are no cons. Like this, there's a little teeny flap that I showed y'all earlier that you cut off. There's not a lot. You can pluck this. There is no, you see that? But, and then you look up close and you can see the knots. Honey, for $10, this wig is wigging, okay? This wig is giving. It's giving human blowout. What I suggest is you get yourself some foundation and you put it right here. You pluck a little of this so it gives you more of a part, and then underneath here you put your foundation right on there. And you get yourself a little brush. I like use mine for my eyebrows and pluck this a little bit and just put a little foundation there. Y'all, for $10, anybody got time? She is loving. Look at the density though. Y'all see that? I'm literally going to be playing off like this is my hair. My hair is sticking up at the top because I took my natural hair out. Natural hair is sticking out, so that's why this is poofy. But again, if you have your hair braided down or cornrowed down, this is going to sit like more like that. Gorgeous, y'all. It is absolutely gorgeous. You can see up close. I mean, look at that. Look at that. And then if you're concerned about, because it's just, to me, it's giving, okay? It's giving all sorts of human. If you're concerned about like if it's too dull for you, you just get yourself some wig spray, huh? There's a wig spray that I use, and it's actually, it can be used on human or synthetic hair that I really like. I get a little teeny bottle of it. It's like $2.49 at the beauty store, any beauty store. And I spray my wigs. Now, in this case, you could, I know a lot of wigologists, they say, oh, wash your wig when you get it. You can if you want. I don't do all that, okay? She ain't got time for all that. But if you want to, you can wash it in mild shampoo, some kind of mild shampoo. Wash it really good. I try and comb it out first, then wash it, then let it air dry or put it on a fan, which is what I normally do if I'm like want to wear it that day. Put it on a fan, make sure it's totally air dry. If it's synthetic, these are fibers just like your clothing. Right? These are synthetic fibers, so you have to take care of it like that. I do, if it's a wig like this. This is from Dollar Tree, okay? And it is Wrinkle Away. It is basically the fake version of Febreze and what's that de-wrinkler? I can't remember what it's called, but this is basically that brand of de-wrinkler, the little blue bottle that you can get. But this is Dollar Tree's version. This works amazingly. Go pick yourself. If you see this, pick it up. But anyway, sometimes I will spray this on my wig and then spray my wig spray. But this will like straighten it out, keep the fibers, because it's fibers, y'all. If it's synthetic, it's fibers. And so just the same way that this keeps your clothing straight, it will keep the fibers straight of your hair and just make it look nice and neat, you know? So, and it'll make it smell good too. So let me put it in the middle, show y'all what that looks like. It's giving human hair. I can't stop touching it. It's so soft. Look, your man can put your hair through your wig. Do y'all let your man touch your hair? My man is white, and I let him touch my wig hair, and he also touches my natural hair. Like, I don't know the whole women don't let their man touch their hair if they're black, like, whatever. I let my man touch my hair. I let him touch my natural hair. He loves both of them equally. So let your man touch your hair, y'all. Y'all stop being weird. But yeah, isn't that cute? And the curls, like the curls and the layers. The layers, it's just, to me, so professionally done. Now, here's the only thing that I don't know. And if anybody's bought this wig, if you recognize this, I'll link it below. But if you recognize this wig from Temu, let me know. Let your girl know. And, but what I like about this too is it's giving human, y'all. It's giving, she just went and got her hair done and got it blown out and curled at the stylist. And she like, oh, you got beautiful hair. Oh, thank you. Thank you, girl. It took me a while to grow this out. I love this. I think it's amazing. And I say get it for $10. I say go get you a whole bunch. Now, this is the only color I think that they have. I don't think they had any lighter colors. And I'm really trying to go lighter for the summer. But again, for $10, and it looks like you grew this out of your whole scalp. Honey, invest and get you one. She like it. I like it. I think it's super cute. I say get you some. I'm going to talk to you later. I hope that you guys are blessed and having a wonderful, amazing day. Yo, I like, you know, I don't have a clip or anything. It's just giving human. It's so cute. I just love it. It's giving a human. Salon Selective. Go get you some. You're welcome. God bless you.